Recently, we are hearing alarming news that the long run of the US dollar as the global currency might be coming to an end. There are talks that Saudi Arabia might be open to moving away from the US dollar, which would be devastating news for Americans and our economy. On top of all of this, the stock market is showing significant shifts that are worth paying attention to. And I will present you with some help with one small thing that you can do that will help you to hedge your bets against the coming changes surely coming this year. Hi, my name is Josh Simone from the Torn Curtain YouTube channel, which is a Christian media organization which covers Christianity, news, and politics. And the times we are living in are really unprecedented. I can't think of another time in my 44 years of living like we are experiencing right now. And I will point to a company that I'm working with to help you and your family secure your financial future. Since Biden took office, I bet you've heard time and time again that the stock market is going to crash and that the US dollar is doomed. Let me show you why you shouldn't wait to fortify your finances until after the election. Let me show you what me and my family have done. Starting with the brutal week that we just went through, trillions wiped away from the stock market in the past week. And it doesn't look like this is the end of the stock market's volatility. We are dealing with inflation. We are dealing with increase in prices on everything, making it harder for the ordinary Americans to survive. Just remember, it's a time for you to take control of your finances and not leave it into the hands of anyone else. I'm going to point to a solution of all of this soon. Not even the next US president, and let's be honest, not even the next president might be able to not even fix everything that we're going through right now. So the stock market has been volatile. The stock market is notoriously volatile, even in good times. But I know that we all haven't felt it like the way that we're feeling it now. Factors such as poor corporate earnings, inflation, disappointing jobs return, a slowdown in real estate, global turmoil, and a pervasive sense of uncertainty have contributed to all this stability. It's important to stay informed and consider how these economic weaknesses might affect your investments today and in the near future. So the US dollar is declining and new currencies are emerging. Lastly, we've observed a decline in the value of the US dollar. Just in the past 4 years, we lost over 25% of its purchasing power. That makes every dollar only worth 75 cents. This is due to a variety of factors, not least of all China and Russia's attempts to undermine the US dollar in international trade. On top of this, we have a presidential election that's coming up. Looking ahead, the upcoming election could either induce further variables into the financial landscape. Changes in leadership can lead to high shifts in fiscal policy, regulatory changes, and economic strategies that might impact market conditions. Of course, these are all unknown. Uncertainty is rampant, but the warning signs are there, regardless of who makes it into the White House in November. Now let me highlight something that is going very well. Gold, silver, and precious metals values are rising. Amidst these challenges, gold and silver has historically emerged as a safe haven for investors. Both precious metals have seen a rise in value as people seek to stability in traditional sources of wealth. In the past, gold and silver have been resilient during times of economic uncertainty, and their current upward trends could be an indicator of continued investor confidence in these assets. Just since the year 2000, gold has increased by wealth over 700,000. Had a friend of mine who I was speaking to the other day that sold some gold a few years ago and had said to me, had they held on to the gold, they would have been already able to retire. So they had deep regrets that they didn't hold on to their gold. Last week, thousands of Americans reached out to a company I'm working with. It almost broke the internet, right? They had so much customer interest that they couldn't even keep up with everything. So to get a free wealth protection kit, that will give you the basics of owning gold and precious metals to hedge against these uncertain times. You can get gold and precious metals in your IRA and 401k plan today. This is for established financial accounts only because it requires a $10,000 minimal investment. Now is the time to stay more proactive than ever. Always remember, no one will protect your financial future. You have to be the one that takes care of this. Take control of your finances today. Do what me and my family are doing to secure your financial futures. Because remember, it's up to you. And especially if you're in your golden years of life, looking forward to the golden years of retirement. Let's make your America gold again. Other economies such as Russia and China are moving towards currencies that are backed by gold because they see the value in this. So your Birch Gold Kit is 100% free. And if you use my affiliate link, birchgold.com/torn curtain, that's birchgold.com/torn curtain. The process is 100% tax-free and penalty-free. As a leading dealer in precious metals in the United States, Birch Gold Group is committed to helping customers discover how gold, silver, and other precious metals can protect their lifestyles in the face of current and coming economic stabilities. This commitment is one of numerous factors that separates us from other precious metal dealers and enables us to give consistent help to our customers to achieve their gold. Financial experts like Peter Schiff and Steve Forbes endorse this company. So get your free gold kit today to secure your financial future. The link is going to pop up on the screen now. Thank you for watching today.